Hello everybody, this is Mr. Fletter and I'm going to show how to draw an atom of beryllium. So first of all, I just copied the information from the periodic table of the element beryllium, which is number 4 in the periodic table right there. And so the symbol is capital B lowercase e, the name is beryllium. I can also find some other information that I need to know in order to draw an atom of beryllium. The top number, which is the atomic number, tells me the number of protons in the nucleus. The bottom number tells me the number of protons and neutrons in the nucleus, and that's called the atomic mass, that 9.0. And then the last thing that we need to know is we need to know how many electrons are in the outer electron cloud, or in the rings on the outside of the nucleus. And in order to find that out, we take the number 4, and that has to equal the same number of protons. So since 4 is the number of protons in the nucleus, if this is a balanced atom, which for now all of our atoms will be balanced, the number of protons, which are positive, has to equal the number of electrons. So when we go to draw our electrons, it will also be 4. So I can write that information in right before I even start drawing. So you want to think about protons, neutrons, and electrons. Number of protons is always the atomic number. The number of neutrons is 9 minus 4, which is 5. And the number of electrons, for now, always equals the number of protons if it's a balanced atom. So there'll be 4. Okay? And just to refresh and to review, protons are always positive, neutrons are always neutral, they have no charge, and the electrons are always negative. Okay? And now we're ready to draw this atom. So again, neutrons and protons are in the nucleus, so I'm going to draw in the nucleus 1, 2, 3, 4 protons. And neutrons are also found in the nucleus. I'm going to draw 5 of those. I'm just going to draw open circles because they have no charge. That's the nucleus, the dense nucleus of this atom of beryllium. And then in the outer shell, the electron cloud, the first shell can only hold 2 electrons, but we need to have 4. So the first shell holds 1, 2, and the second, because we have to have 4, will also hold 2. Okay? So just to review, we've taken the periodic table beryllium. The atomic number is the number of protons. The atomic mass is the number of protons and neutrons. And for right now, our electrons is always going to be equal to the number of protons. So we have 4 electrons. Again, protons in the middle, 4 protons, 5 neutrons in the center, in the nucleus, and then 4 electrons in the outer electron cloud. And the first one can only hold 2, so we have to add an additional ring in the electron cloud to hold the other 2, because a total of 4 electrons. So look over this. You do the same process for all of the drawings. You're just going to be using different atomic numbers and the different atomic masses, and you might have to have more rings depending on how many electrons there are. So hopefully this was helpful. Please ask questions if you're not sure.